Hey Tech Fam, today we're diving into the OPPO Find X8 Ultra, a phone that packs with 50 megapixel 4 cameras, a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and a massive 6100 mAh battery, all in a body thinner than its rivals. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. First impressions. This thing is sleek. At 8.78 m thick and 226 gram, it's slimmer than the Xiaomi 15 Ultra but still feels premium with its matte glass back. The IP68/IP69 rating means it's dustproof and can survive high pressure water jets. Perfect for clumsy hands. The 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED is a beast with 120Hz refresh rate, 3168 x 1440 pixels and 2500 nit peak brightness. This screen is crisp, vibrant and sunlight readable. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite and 16GB RAM, this phone chews through games and multitasking. No lag, no stutters, just pure flagship power. Steps up with a quad camera setup, a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, 50 megapixel with 6x optical zoom, 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and here's some photos. Example of 50 megapixel main camera. And here's some photos example of 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera. And here's some photos example of 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. The 6100 mAh battery lasts 1.5 days easily, and 100 watt SuperVOOC charges it to full in under 33 minutes. Wireless 50 watt AirVOOC gets you 50% in 25 minutes. Downside: ColorOS 15 has bloatware and OPPO only promises 2 OS updates. Xiaomi and Samsung offer longer support. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros 1. Unmatched zoom and camera versatility. Pros 2. Flagship performance plus insane charging speeds. Pros 3. Premium build with IP68/IP69 durability. Cons. Cons 1. No global release, China only for now. Cons 2. Bloatware and limited software support. Cons 3. No headphone jack or expandable storage. At $999, the Find X8 Ultra is a camera powerhouse that rivals DSLRs. If you're in China and want the best zoom on a phone, buy it. For everyone else, pray OPPO goes global. Drop a comment. Would you import this? Smash like if you enjoyed, subscribe for deep dives and hit the bell. Catch you next time.